Hi guys, here's a quick update. So it's been now just a week I have installed the Hell catch can, and today I had finally the opportunity to clean up the engine bay a bit. So as you see, it's a bit better. During winter it's always difficult to keep it clean, and yeah, I just optimized the routing of the tubes a little bit today, and I must say I'm very satisfied. As opposed to the solution where you just run a hose out of the PCV release just into a canister without rerouting it inside the intake, I must say with this system it's working much better, and the idling is much more stable, and also for some reason, because of the depressions obviously, the brake servo is also working much better. So top product, I'm very happy. I've just been driving in the city this week, just to and from the office, therefore there is still not a lot of build-up inside. I can also show you just a little bit of liquid. Yeah, this is, I just opened it and I tightened it a bit too much. You can check also through the dipstick, but I want to show you for real how it's up. And there you go. It's still pretty clean, you just have some droplets around the side of it. So this is because I have not pushed the car yet. So that's all. Let's keep in touch and more content is coming. Cheers now.